Next question is from Om Kaushik. He's asking, what is test-driven development in Agile? Om, the Wikipedia definition of test-driven development is that test-driven development is a software development process relying on software requirements being converted to test case before software is fully developed, and tracking all the software development by repeatedly testing the software against all the test cases. So how it is implemented practically, let me give you that. So basically what happens in test driven development is that while doing development, rather than writing the code for a particular functionality, you will write the test cases for that particular functionality, and based on that test cases you will write the logic of that particular functionality. So usually what happens that most of the developers, even I myself, when I develop an application, what I do is let's say we are developing an application or we are writing a function to add two numbers. So I will just write a function to add two numbers where we have two parameters, two parameters a and b, and I will return c is equal to a plus b, and that would be the return value, and that is one function. But if you are doing test driven development, you will have to write a separate project or separate function, separate module where you will be testing this particular function, and those test cases will be called as unit test cases. So you will for this a plus b, you will have around 2 to 3 test case scenario where either a can be 0, what will happen if a is 0 and b is positive, or what will happen if a is negative and b is positive, what will happen is if b is negative and a is positive, what will happen if both of these are negative. So there are various test case scenarios. You will have to write all those test cases while writing the function itself. So first you will write the test cases and you will pass all the test cases while writing the function. The benefit of using test driven development is that initial sanity test of your functionality is done automatically during your CI/CD processes, or like continuous integration and continuous deployment processes. So what happens that if a developer has written a functionality and he has written all the unit test cases, the requirement from the management or requirement from the senior is that his functionality should pass all his test cases. So your test case will have some sample data, also some static sample data to test the basic scenario or of basic different scenarios of your particular functionality. And then what will happen then when the application will be built, so before deploying on the server, all the unit test cases will be run by your CI/CD pipeline itself. It will run all the test cases and check that all the test cases are passing or not. If all the test cases are passing, then only it will deploy it to the production or development or whatever environment is deploying the application. Otherwise it will not deploy the application. So these are kind of benefits that you will do initial level of sanity testing by following the test driven development. Then there are various matrices also which are maintained whether you follow test driven development or not. There is code coverage. Then code coverage is one of the biggest matrix which is covered when you write unit test cases, that what is the coverage of your code, how much unit test cases you have written for your code. So usually companies say that we go for 80% or 90% of code coverage, that your that particular code is of that quality that we have covered all the scenarios which can happen to solve a particular problem. So in basic terms or in layman terms, test driven development is where you write test cases while doing the development, and you develop or you test your application with the help of test cases rather than executing that application again and again and see what is the output in different scenarios. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.